Hi, book friends. This book is called Pete the Cat, Snow Days. Pete is dreaming of a snowy day full of fun. Let's see what happens. Let's open the book. Snow Days. Are you ready? Let's begin. Pete the cat wakes up and gets ready for school. He has show and tell today. Oh, wow, he's ready. He's got his bags there. It's 7 o'clock. And it's snowing. There is no school today, says Pete's mom. It's a snow day. Hooray! Yells Pete. Let's go sledding, says Pete. Great idea, says his brother Bob. Pete puts on his hat, boots, and mittens. I'm ready to go, he says. Wow, he does look ready. And look at those boots. On the way, Pete makes snowballs. He throws one at Bob. Bob throws one back. Pete makes a snowcat. Snow days are way more fun than school days, he says. Oh, that snowcat is cool. Sledding hill, here we come, says Pete. He can't wait to get there. Pete waves to Callie. Come sledding with us, he says. Wow, Callie is ready too. They all have boots. The hill is big. Trey and Emma look small at the top. Crunch, crunch, crunch goes the snow as Pete, Bob, and Callie go up, up, up. They yell as they go down, down, down. I love snow days, says Pete. Wow, Pete is having so much fun. On the way home, Pete and Bob stop at Trey's house. The hot chocolate is yummy. Oh, you can't forget that. What a fun day, says Pete. Tomorrow at school, I'll tell my class all about it. Pete wakes up to more snow. It's not a school day. It's another snow day. Pete makes a snow fort. He throws snowballs. He makes a snow dog. There's even more snow fun. Then he has fun sledding. He can't wait to tell his teacher about it. But the next day is a snow day too. 3 snow days. Wow! How lucky! There's too much snow. Pete and Bob can barely even open the front door. Before you go sledding, please shovel the walk, says Mom. Oh yeah, get those shovels. But shoveling is hard work. When Pete is done, he is too tired to go sledding. Oh, so he's making some snow angels with snow kitties. Pete misses his teacher. He misses the other cats in his class. Pete can't wait to go back to school tomorrow. But when Pete wakes up, it's snowing. Oh no, he says, not another snow day. Pete wants to go to school. So Pete plows the streets all by himself. Wow, he must really want to go to school. The other cats rush outside. They help clear the snow. Everyone wants to go to school. Are they tired of the snow days? The streets are clear and safe. The bus can drive. School is open! All the kids are excited to see their teacher. He has a snow day show and tell. When it's Pete's turn, he tells everyone about the fun he had in the snow. Lucky drew the snowcat, the fort, the car full of snow. I love snow days, says Pete, but I love school best. Oh, yay! I love school too. Wow! I learned to enjoy the moment and have fun, even when things don't go as planned. And Pete, he tried to make the best of it. He had a lot of fun, but he ended up missing school. Wow! That's how good school is. Well, until next time, bye, book friends.